Hey guys, Attila here from Cylanda. Now, who here knows about iOS, which is Apple's, operating system that they use on pretty much all their devices, right, that are mobile? So iPads, iPhones. Now, unfortunately, there is a great app on there called Mail, Apple Mail, and it interacts with all these different services. And recently, it was discovered that someone could send an email message with an attachment, and that attachment would automatically be opened by Apple Mail and give the intruder automatic access to the phone, able to do whatever they wanted to do. And this was made known and was given to Apple, and Apple said, "Oh, we don't have any evidence that this is being used against anyone important." Well, guess what? These ZecOps guys, they actually did confirm that it was being used against high-profile targets, and there's no real solution here, right? No, Apple has not released a patch as of yet. There's some beta software that's supposed to be coming out that covers this, but really what it comes down to is, as of today, there is no real good way to protect yourself other than not using this app, right? So don't use Apple Mail. And you're probably wondering, well, what the heck can I use then? Well, there are lots of other choices. Two I'm going to talk about now. The first is going to be the Gmail app. Most folks have a Gmail account anyway, so setting up the Gmail app for this is kind of makes good sense. You're probably wondering, well, how can I get something like from my work account into my Gmail if we have a custom, email server, or have something like a Hawaii Roadrunner account, which is like a personal account, or a Hawaiian Tel account? Well, you can go inside of your Gmail app and set it to go out and pick up email messages from Hawaiian Tel, Hawaii Roadrunner, or any other account, siphon it into your Gmail, and then that becomes your primary mode of communication. This means that when you reply, it'll show that you're replying from your Hawaii Roadrunner or from your Hawaiian Tel account. Pretty cool, right? So if you use the Gmail app, at least you can kind of bypass the security vulnerability, and you can still keep all your email in one place. Pretty handy, right? The next is if you have Office 365, or if you have an Outlook, or a Hotmail or Live account, you can use the Outlook app. And if you download that app, it'll connect to your Outlook email, and you launch that app instead of the iOS email app, and it's a lot more secure. So anyways, hopefully that helps you out. Of course, we always root for Apple to get their act together and patch the system, but until that time, I wouldn't recommend using that Mail app because you could become a victim. Anyways, guys, I'm Attila with Cylanda. Stay safe out there.